This project is built using Highland stone freestanding wall units. Excavate the trench for the freestanding wall. The trench is 12 inches deep and 21 inches wide. The leveling pad should be 6 inches deep, built in 2 lifts, and thoroughly compacted after each lift. Build this course beginning at the 90-degree corner. Split and lay a large unit. Level front to back and side to side. Lay out the remaining wall base using all 3 block sizes, or you can use just the large units. To build the other side of the corner, split or cut a large unit and lay it perpendicular to the first wall, and continue building outward. Backfill to the top of this course. On the next course, begin with a split large unit. Round this and all newly split exposed ends with a hammer and chisel. Place the unit perpendicular to the first course at the corner and build outward. Start the second wall with a split or cut large unit and build out in the same manner. Glue the corner units. Continue to build the wall using the pattern established in the first 2 courses. Finish the wall by gluing the top 2 courses and the caps with concrete adhesive.